start the Doha Environmental Actions Project, hopefully be able to change behaviors and attitudes toward the environment.
I'm very happy to be here. It's a great initiative to clean the beaches of Qatar. Today we are in Freiha Archaeological site and I really volunteered in this. I'm very happy to be here. We even have our Sheikha Al Mayassa who's here, our top management, and even the staff, everybody is happy to cleaning the beach. And thanks for iLoveQatar and for Qatar Museum and DEAP, and I'm happy to be here volunteering.
Of the DEAP project, and we're here at on our cleanup 137. It's a great day and lots of people are helping to keep Doha and Qatar clean.
This is my 7th year in Qatar. Out of 133 cleaners, I've taken part in at least 110. So it's one of my most favorite outings for the weekend. The first thing I do is fight plastic pollution. That itself is one great thing. But then I've learned so much. I've learned how plastic affects people, how plastic affects animals. We have saved 2-3 birds and animals also. So it's really important that we do this so that our next generation is saved.